Hi guys, Charles here and welcome to the unboxing and review of the Infinix Hot 11 Play. So this is a successor of the Infinix Hot 10, and in the series of Hot 11 there were about 3 or 4 phones. That is Hot 11, Hot 11i, Hot 11 Play, and then there's also Hot 11 Pro. I got this phone from Jumia, Uganda, and of course I'm doing this review from a place called Gulu, and Jumia was able to deliver to me so fast. Please note that this is not a paid video. I'm just doing it and trying to recommend the service. Infinix Hot 11 Play comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage. It's running on the Layoo G35 as MediaTek processor, and it's actually having 4G network, 3G network, and 2G network. It features a 6.82-inch HD plus water drop display, resolution of 720 by 1640. It has sensors. There is G sensors, E compass, L sensors, proximity, and of course a fingerprint. It's running on Android 11, 13 megapixel of main camera, and 6,000 battery. That's amazing. If you're someone that likes battery, then this is a good phone. I happen to use Infinix Hot 9 Play. It also had a 6,000 mAh of battery, and it was real amazing. So if you're thinking of buying an Infinix Hot 11 Play, just know the camera is okay, the battery is also okay, and of course if you're someone who needs a lot of storage, the phone features a 4GB RAM, which makes it to be fast. 64GB, you can always extend it with an SD card. So let's get to break the seal, and we get to see more about this baby, more about this Infinix Hot 11 Play. So upon opening the box, you'll be welcomed with a brand new Infinix Hot 11 Play. 6.82 inches HD plus display, 6,000 amps of battery, the processor, and it's running on Android 11. Look at the back. So this color is blue, and you can see it has a fingerprint, camera, and AI. There's power button, volume rocker button, and here's the phone. So let's keep on opening the box. There is a card actually from Infinix. As you proceed to open, there is a card from Infinix, and then as you open the box, you also as you are also welcome with as you open the box, you're welcome with more card from Infinix, and then there's this something that looks like money. It looks like dollar, but no, it's not money. This is an X Club card. We do have the SIM ejection tool, or the SIM ejector, and then there is a TPU case. Most people don't like this type of case, but for me, again, I prefer this case. It's actually a transparent case, not really TPU, but it's a transparent case, and to me this is okay, but you can always buy. We do have the charger, an Infinix branded charger of 5 volts, and then the Infinix actually gives you a free wired Infinix earphone. This is amazing. I've ever used this type of earphones. I know how good it is, and if you're buying an Infinix Hot 11 phone, I can guarantee you're going to enjoy. And of course, lastly is the Infinix charger. Of course, Infinix Hot 11 comes with this type of charger, not a type C. So, but this is a fast charger, also it's good for it. So that's what you get when you buy an Infinix Hot 11 Play. Let's get to remove it from this, and then you get to see the idea. You get to see how it's like. Oh, we're already powering it on. I don't know how fast it's going to take, but it's already powering on. This is a 6.82 inch. Infinix phones are always kind of longer, which is okay, and it's somehow heavy. Why is it somehow heavy? Because it's featuring a 6000 mega amps of battery. It's running on Android 11. That's the operating system. And let's get to see. So briefly, this is it. We're going to set up the phone. Thank you so much for watching this review. This is the unboxing and a quick review of Infinix Hot 11 Play. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech videos from me. My name is Charles Layoo, and I'll see you in my next video.